yeah, this is really good. I think this is stunning. I love this. It's something else. And this is...
Clemence, welcome back to the channel.
Thank you.
We're going to sniff some fragrances that I'm loving right now from a couple of big brands, and I'm not sure you'll have smelled them, so I'm really intrigued to get your opinion.
Are we getting into niche or designer?
This is niche. Right, okay.
Did you spray a lot? Please tell me you spray a lot.
Yeah, a little
Sometimes
bit.
you spray a little bit, and I'm like,
Oh, okay, yeah, no.
experience with you, you know?
What do you think?
Oh, I like that. It feels a bit like orangey, neroli vibe. I actually like that. It's quite fresh, quite easy, nice for summertime, a bit juicy. Very juicy, actually.
Yeah.
Very, very juicy. It feels a bit, you know, sometimes with fruity notes, it gets really synthetic because obviously it's extracted, it's not natural most of the time. It feels a bit synthetic to me, which I don't mind. I think it gives like a cool vibe to it, like more like fresh and airy. It seems to fade quite a lot on the paper, see on the skin.
Right. It's quite strong on my skin.
It feels a bit like hairspray, like a luxurious hairspray. I'm not saying that, you know, but it comes out of my mind. It's nice. I'm wondering, with the time, does it have some real backbone, like a good base, though? Like, it would be nice with a good, slightly sandalwood, sharp.
Oh, I see. Yeah,
base.
I see what you mean. So this is from Argos Fragrances. I don't think you smelled any or many from Argos. So this has got like a tea note, like a refreshing, it's like an iced tea, refreshing iced tea.
Actually, it makes me think a bit of Tea Tonic from Miller Harris. It has that vibe. Tea Tonic feels more natural to me. Like I feel like a strong synthetic vibe in there.
Right.
I don't mind it. There's a bit of that matcha slightly, but not too much. Not cozy. Not round. Not warm. Like
reminded me a little bit of Nishane's Oolong Cha.
Yeah, it does actually.
That kind of fresh tea.
Prefer Oolong Cha though.
Oh dear, yeah.
It's more smooth.
I'm loving this. This is strong on my skin. This is sort of my signature fresh scent.
Is it?
This year.
I like it. I like it. I would because it's on paper. You know, you can really smell the light top notes, and it's really plain. So I think on the skin would be better.
Yeah, definitely.
But I like that. I like that.
Good. All right. Want to rate it?
Yeah.
Hard on the paper just to rate it.
Very hard, and I can't smell the dry down and stuff. But as out of first impression, I give it like a nice 7.
A nice 7.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
And the next one.
God, you scared me.
Don't be scared.
Oof, what is this?
It's a big one.
Oh, it smells licorice to me. Oh, I don't like that at all.
Oh, you're not a fan?
No, it feels, I don't know why, I have straight away a little bit of licorice note. It's, do you know what? It smells a bit like Mind Games or something like this, you know, like a bit like a beast mode kind of fragrance, super loud.
Definitely beast mode.
It smells a bit like, with the time, a bit caramelish as well, you know? A bit of caramel or vibe or something. It's not my stuff, just because like I would imagine that, like a bit like gourmand, sexy for nighttime.
Yep.
But for me, it's a little bit too much in the face. Straight away, I think I know already how it's gonna dry down.
Right.
It's gonna be a bit flat. I smell a bit like of a peachy plum note.
There's peach in there. Yeah,
peachy,
it's peached.
Yeah.
Rum, tobacco.
Add a rum, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I like it. Yeah, if you go to the peachy note like this, I think for me they're a bit heady. But I imagine that it could smell quite sexy on a man, you know. I'm not,
I like to think it does when I wear this one.
It's funny because now it's gone, but at the beginning I smelled the licorice straight away and I was putting off a bit. I'm warming up to it now. This
is another Argos. It's Triumph of Bacchus extract. So it's that stronger version of Triumph of Bacchus.
It's really heady gourmand to me. Huh? It's super strong. Like straight away, I was like, oh, you know. But again, I would make the same comment. I think it's great, and I could see how much it could be appealing, especially on men. But I would say it feels a bit flat to me.
Okay.
That's my only comment.
Yeah.
Apart from this, I mean, it's quite pleasing, isn't it?
I think you're probably right on that. I don't think it develops too much. I don't think it's a terribly nuanced scent. It's kind of a strong in your face, sort of brash, bold.
Yeah.
kind of statement making.
I like the slightly fuzzy peach skin note. I think it marries really well with boozy note. That I like, because I like a, you know, sort of very smooth, heavy sweet cocktail. So I think that's quite nice, but yeah, it's not usually what I go for, I have to say.
It's a good compliment getter, but maybe not from you.
No, not from me. But I like it.
All right, good. Out of 10, what would you give that one?
I would give a 7 as well. Like I would give a 7 because
Solid 7s for Argos so far?
Yeah, I would recommend it to a guy that really want like a statement one, quite in the face and sexy. That would be great.
Yeah, agreed. Okay,
right.
All right, try this. This might be more your vibe.
Is it?
Maybe.
Yes, that's definitely more my vibe, yeah.
A bit more feminine and sophisticated, elegant kind
There's
of smell, I think.
There's something very addictive to it. How could I describe that? This is very strange. This is very unique to me. I didn't smell anything like this before. It's funny because I can smell something soapy, quite soapy and clean, nearly like musky, but a good musky clean. But there's something like really, I don't know if there's like woody and tobacco-ish note, but I don't know why. This is strange. This is really strange. Oh no, don't worry. I can smell the cigarette.
It's all right.
Yes.
He's moved. He noticed we're staging a huge production here, so he's moved on.
Well, tell me what it is, because this I'm really interested. Do you know what I smell? Actually, that's what I smell, because I said tobacco, but I'm completely wrong. It's the signature of Amouage. It's like resins. It's balsamic, isn't it? Like it smells like frankincense or Lebanon.
Yeah, incense. You know? Yeah. I think it smells quite floral to me. It's like maybe some rose. In it.
Yes, but it's quite discreet. Like I really smell the classic resinous balsamic tone. You know, it feels nearly mysterious, nearly like you smelling the cold resin that you smell in a church.
Yes.
But it doesn't feel too religious to me.
Churchy.
I think this is stunning. But you know, compared to the two first one, I can smell straight away it's my vibe, because for me, you can smell straight away the dose of natural ingredient they use, because it moves. And you have these layers that I could smell straight away. That is my vibe.
It's Quentin Biche, and he's done a great job with this one. I think it's maybe a bit too feminine for me to wear, or do you think I could? Do you think I could pull it?
Yeah, I think like rosy note as well on men is so. Think of a fragrance like Egoist, like from Chanel. They do have roses.
I'll try it.
This, I think it's more focused to me on the resin actually. So I think it could be nice to wear just to give that bewitching, mysterious aura. Oh, I love this. I am glad because I didn't smell that, and I love this. That's a 10 out of 10 to me.
Wow. I thought you'd like it, and I thought you hadn't smelled it, so that's why I was interested.
I'm addicted. I'm really addicted.
The story behind this, I brought them for Clemens to smell, and I just thought, well, I've got the camera, we may as well video it. So killing two birds with one stone here, but I'm glad you like it. Look, you're really liking it.
Like I could doze in that, because you know my usual favorite is I like ambery, and I like when the incense is my stuff. I find that very gothic without being too much. Like it's got something modern.
Gothic and baroque is a good, that's gothic, what I get from that.
Gothic. Me, my favorite ingredient are usually incense, narcissus, because it's poisonous, and this really feel like I'm in a you know, like a bit dark mood, you know. I love this. The layers of Amouage, I always say Amouage to me in terms of ingredient is the haute couture of perfumery at the moment to me.
They use the best, don't they?
You can smell it straight away, and they're really good because their resins are directly from Oman, where it's from, and I feel like it makes a huge difference. I've got actually some incense, the direct resin from Oman, and it's something else. And this is
that's a special one. 10 out of 10.
Yes.
Wow,
yes.
great.
Big time.
Glowing review for Amouage's existence.
I need that in my life. I need Quentin as well in my house.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the next one.
Oh, more delicate, cute, romantic, a bit more flowers, I would say. It smells cute. Nearly like you know those kind of cute little flowers, like Probably is not gonna have any of this, but to me, it smells nearly like osmanthus, like, you know, apricot,
like a fruity floral.
Floral one. It's very delicate. Like it nearly smells like a cute white flowers, like lily or stuff like this. Cherry blossom, maybe something like this. It's cute. It's very cute.
Just got the notes here. So there's rose, heliotrope. Maybe
heliotrope.
Yeah.
Heliotrope is a flower that is a bit violet-like, and it always gives something very cute to a fragrance.
Right. The cuteness is coming from the heliotrope.
Yeah,
there you go.
It does. It's nearly violet-like, but heliotrope is great because it gives something cloudy, nearly like you're dreaming.
Yeah,
you know?
And I think this is more your vibe than the first, because this is another Argos. This is La Primavera.
To be fair, this one feels more natural. It's got like some more twist, round edges to it.
More 3D.
I like this.
Yeah,
I think it's cute though. It's very cute. I would wear that on a daytime, spring, summer. A bit clean. Very clean actually, I think. I really like that.
Heliotrope is clean, I think.
Yeah, it does.
And there's musks in there as well, yeah.
Feels cloudy to me.
Right.
Like, you know, you're on cloud 9.
Cloud 9. All right, out of 10. Well, we're going to go for La Primavera.
Well, I smelled those kind of things before. I would give it a 8 because I think it's much better compared to the other ones, but that's a question of taste here. It's just I'm more comfortable with those fragrances. Yeah, I would wear that. I would wear that to go to bed, actually.
Right.
To go to bed.
You want to feel cute when going to bed.
I'm always cute when I'm going to bed.
All right, let's move on to the final fragrance.
Yeah.
This was my scent of the night at the Fragrance Foundation Jasmine Awards last night.
So it must be quite serious.
I think it is. Yeah. I think this is a serious.
Is it your vibe or mine?
It's definitely my vibe.
Yeah.
I think it could be your vibe too.
It is your vibe. I like this though. Oh, it's got some animalic edge, huh? Like a bit like a barn, huh? You can smell it at the back, which is nice because it's not overpowering, but I can smell it straight away. Incensey, there's something.
Yeah, it's very it's a big incense.
Yeah, it smells a bit like smoky. That's why I think I thought about tobacco, but definitely smokier. Quite dark, but to me classy, sophisticated. The slight touch of nearly leather animalic tone in there is quite something. I really like that. But there's something fruitier in there, no?
Juniper berries.
Juniper berries. Okay, yeah, juniper berries. Yeah, that's why it smells.
Big frankincense.
It smells a bit like not green, but you know, like not foresty, but you know that in between. You know, there's a bit of that.
Bit spicy.
Very elegant.
Yeah?
Very elegant.
Very impactful fragrance.
I would really love to smell that on a guy, actually. I think it's a bit, you know, you go gentleman, but a bit more modern because of the incense and stuff like this. Because juniper berries gives you straight away a little bit of that old-fashioned chypre from gentleman vibe.
Bit of a gin and tonic.
Yes, gin and tonic smell. Yeah. But here, like, it's nicely balanced with something very dark and yeah, mysterious as well. I like that. I like that very much.
Good. Well, this is another Quentin Beach. This is the one that was paired with Existence. This is Decision. So this comes in the taller male bottle.
This is absolutely stunning again.
It is incredible, yeah. And I didn't know that Renaud Salmon from Amouage, the head of Amouage, was going to be at the event last night. And I was very pleased I chose to wear an Amouage fragrance.
Oh, you're rubbing his... How do you say in English? Rubbing his feet? No, it's not what you say.
Rubbing his feet?
No, I don't know. Like,
I did not rub his feet.
Oh.
No. You did not ask me for a foot massage.
Well, you never know. But no. But you know, like you're... no, that's going to be rude, like licking his ass or something.
Kissing his ass?
Yes, that's it. Oh no, licking.
Not licking his... It's like in Demolition Man when Sandra Bullock gets all the phrases wrong all the time.
Hey, I'm French. It's not my first language. You know, it's hard. I think you did a really good choice with that yesterday. This is like, but it's more demure. It's more mindful, more sophisticated. When I say sophisticated, it's like going to the way that is not going to be over the top. But I think on skin, it must be insane.
It's great, and it's such a huge, long-lasting fragrance. Out of 10, what would you give Decision?
I would give her another 10 to me.
Another 10? Yeah. So a 10 for both the new Quentin Beach Amouages?
Well, listen, like,
you're a fan?
Well, I never used to be like a huge fan of Amouage, but these years, the more I smell fragrances, the more I can when you have a huge collection of fragrance and you smell Amouage on the side to any kind of fragrance, you can tell the amount of passion and good sourcing of ingredient there is. I hate to say qualitative, but to me, the sourcing of ingredient is really important because it helps to give like density and moving of the fragrance. This is something else. When you smell this, you straight away you can notice.
It's like masterpiece perfumery.
Yeah, I love it. Great. I love it. Really good.
One more to go.
Ooh, it smells already from here.
It's a big one. Another big one.
Love that. Really beautiful. What does it smell like? Interesting. I can smell like some round, sweeter citruses. Maybe mandarin, orange, something like this. Woody, dry down, a bit smoky as well, but a tad compared to the other ones. Oh, I love this. I know this. Do you know
what it is?
I wouldn't pick the name.
Okay.
But it's Amouage again, isn't it?
Yes, yeah. Definitely got that Amouage incense trademark, yeah.
Straight away you can smell the slight enveloping of the perfume into the incense without being religious. I love that. I know, it's in my head. Oh, wait. When you're gonna say I'm gonna be upset. I love it. Well, okay, tell me because I'm going to go nuts.
Okay, so this is Outlands.
Yes.
So it's just the seals are
Outlands. Yes, it's Outlands. So I smelled it a few weeks ago.
Oh, and you smelled this one?
Yeah, that was my favorite from the new collection of Essence, you know.
Yeah.
It's incredible the level of craftsmanship that they have in this one.
Yeah.
Did you see, like, it's like I think it's like 30 times, or I don't know many times, they recreate the essence again and again.
Yeah.
It's insane, absolutely insane. It's got that signature of Cécile as well, because she likes to, even when she goes aromatic, which is quite fresh and, you know, this kind of aromatic tone, she goes to take like a bit of a base that is slightly vanilla-like. To me, actually, to my nose at least, not maybe on the paper. There's always that base that is really profound with the signature of a fragrance that she does. And I think that's why she's really popular. But that was the best out of the three that I've smelled, actually.
Right.
Outlands.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Outlands, another 10 out of 10?
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah. It's pathetic, really, because you know how difficult I am. And usually I'm difficult with my grading. With Amouage, I've got, like, I just want to put 10 over 10 to nearly everything. And you pick the one that I like the most from the collection. Outlands, though, I would wear it more on a daily basis compared to the other one that feels a bit more like a night out, you know, like a statement piece. Here, for me, I would wear it on a daily basis.
Would you? Yeah, I find Outlands to be quite a statement piece. It's very strong. You've got to be in the mood for wearing a strong fragrance that hangs around for a long time.
But it's soothing as well. It's comforting to me.
Yeah.
It's very comforting. And me, like, when I'm out, and actually, when the sun's getting out like this, comforting incense like this, they really blossom on skin. And you can smell in there, like something, I wouldn't say fruitier, but you can smell that it's a little bit more vivid for me than the other ones.
Yeah, it does have a fruity profile, doesn't it? That one? Yeah, it's a fantastic fragrance.
Really good.
Straight 10s for Amouage, so they're smashing it.
I am not paid for this video at all.
No,
actually, they never sent me anything. Oh, actually, well, they did send me some samples. So, but
all right, well, yeah, we're going to wrap it up there. But I really enjoyed getting your opinions on those. So thank you for taking the time to do that, Clemence. Always appreciate it.
Well, thank you for showing me these good fragrances. I'm really delighted.
Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed seeing Clemence's first reaction. We had some good reactions there, didn't we?
Hope you enjoyed it, yes.
Yeah, all right. Hit like if you did and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you do all that, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.